Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to boot to Diagnostics, how to run Diagnostics on DELL Precision 5520. If your laptop is currently on, you should first shut it down. And once it's shut down, then press on the power key, and immediately after releasing it, start repeatedly pressing on F12 key on your keyboard. Once that's done, you should see this screen. Use the arrows on your keyboard to go to Diagnostics and click on Enter. Now it will restart into the Diagnostics, and at first it'll start these automatic stuff. And you just can select yes or no, but you can also pause it if you wish. I believe by escape key. Yeah, now it's paused, and if I click on here, let's see what happens. So yeah, here I have the system health, the results. I can also select what to test and run the test, or go to advanced options for something. Yeah, you can also select what to test here, I guess, or here is where you select what to test. Yeah, it's like when you click on something, it just does the test of that thing. And yes, the bars were displayed. Well, that was loud. Okay. You can also test speakers, hard drive, or whatever. Let's test the charger maybe. And you can see it's passed. So that's basically it for this video. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.